Do you ever ask ChatGPT for ideas and feel like it's just regurgitating a TED talk it found from 2016? Use social media, think outside the box, delight your customer. Powerful stuff, right? But ChatGPT isn't dumb, yet most people prompt it like they're ordering a sandwich. One line, no context, and hoping for a Michelin star strategy at the end of it. That's why I use something I call level 1, level 2, and level 3 prompting. It's the same question, but asked 3 different times. Each time it goes deeper and smarter and more strategic. So by level 3, it's giving you campaign ideas, rollout plans, and maybe even naming your next product or baby. I've been using this exact method now for a while, and it's been a total game changer for the quality of output. Once you see it, you'll recognize its power. Let me show you how. Right, so let's paste in my question. Give me 10 marketing ideas for a B2B tech conference. Let's go see what it comes up with. Here are 10 effective marketing ideas. Let's have a look. Early bird incentives, thought leadership campaigns, partner and sponsor amplification kits. Yeah, I mean, these are good, but they're a bit beige. They're not aligned to your brand or your voice or your campaign ideas. Want to go a bit deeper and see what else it can come up with here. So let's go a bit deeper and say, that's great. Those are level 1 ideas. Now give me level 2. Okay, let's go level 2. Deeper, more strategic marketing ideas for your conference. Integrate brand storytelling, data-driven personalization, ecosystem thinking, and long-term relationship building. Okay, now we're talking. So account-based experiences, ecosystem marketing. This is a lot more strategic, much deeper, much more well thought through. Conference as a service model, interesting. Innovation battlegrounds, like it. So yeah, definitely an improvement. Want to go even further with level 3 ideas? Yes, please. Yes, please show me level 3. So you're not just filling seats, you're building ecosystems, earning mindshare and driving long-term growth engines. Dark social orchestration play. Wow, sounds interesting. Whisper worthy, share worthy. Okay. Internal enablement as a channel. So these are definitely a lot more strategic focused. So as you can see, it's really taking it to that next level down. I mean, you can go further. You can go level 4 if you want. I found that level 3, actually a mixture of level 2 and level 3 is a good sweet spot for a lot of the questions I've asked it. But these seem pretty solid. Should we see what level 4 does? Okay, sounds good. What about level 4? Are you ready for level 4? Yes, I am. Let's do it. Category creation, movement architecture, strategic myth making. This isn't about filling your event, it's about reshaping your industry's orbit around your vision. Now this is pretty awesome. Create a category, make the conference its own HQ, build a guild instead of just a community, open operating system for the industry, turn the conference into a story world. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty sick. I mean, I don't think you can get much deeper than this, but I might be wrong. See generational IP. It's crazy. When you ask ChatGPT to go through these layers, it really does build on what it's already created and go just that little bit extra, give you that more of an edge in what you're producing and the output that's coming out. So I really do think this is worth trying. If you're getting 2 generic answers, try this level 1, level 2, level 3 prompting process and see what comes up for you. I mean, I've used it on in lots of different ways now. I mean, I was preparing for a meeting the other day with a C-suite member, and I wanted to get into their head and be like, what do they want to know from me about this particular subject? So I was asking ChatGPT, we were brainstorming, and the level of detail that it was going to for level 3 was just insane. I mean, it was just such a great way to prepare. And as a consultant, if you're going into a meeting with a company for the first time or for the second time, it's such a great tool to have in your arsenal. That gives you that edge that people wouldn't expect you to ask those kind of questions at that level. So definitely check this out as a potential way of getting more from ChatGPT, or any model for that instance. It could be Claude, it could be Gemini, DeepSeek, whatever you're used to using. Try it out, see what happens, and let me know in the comments how you get on. Thanks. See you in the next video.